Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 26th of March, 2025, and we are now ready to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies globally today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since March 26, 2025, our system is categorized SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.41. Now, let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this period. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decreases ahead. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately negative 4.91% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 8.57% and positive 0.286%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 17.41%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 14.55% to 28.44% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $651.34 and $730.32. Our latest daily update for SPY features the headline, SPY ETF upgraded to hold accumulate. The price of the SPY ETF decreased by 1.18% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, dropping from $575.39 to $568.59. During that trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.61%, with a daily low of $567.19 and a daily high of $576.32. The price has shown volatility over this period, with a total gain of 1.74% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, trading volume increased on the last day by 10 million shares, although this was accompanied by declining prices, which may signal an early warning and a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 45 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $25.48 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price was $493.86. Currently, the price is 7.28%, or $44.64, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite have recently ended a 3-day winning streak, closing in the negative. This development is significant as it highlights ongoing market volatility, a trend that may continue amid rising uncertainties. Analysts from Barclays have reduced their S&P 500 forecast by nearly 11% due to concerns over the Trump administration's tariffs, which could have a major impact on the U.S. economy. This bearish sentiment may weigh heavily on investor confidence in the short term, leading to potential price declines in SPY. Additionally, UBS analysts have suggested that they anticipate the S&P 500 to underperform, advising investors to consider short-term treasury bonds instead. In contrast, strategists like BMO's Brian Belsky remain hopeful about a longer-term price target of 6,700 for the S&P 500. However, this optimism is overshadowed by current volatility concerns. Investors may want to explore protective strategies, such as purchasing out-of-the-money put options, to hedge against further downside risks during this bearish phase. The current climate encourages caution, with an emphasis on more stable investments or dividend-paying stocks, which could provide better returns compared to the present volatility in the S&P 500. Overall, the mixed signals from analysts and market performance suggest that SPY may experience increased volatility, affecting short-term price movements, while longer-term prospects could hinge on resolving tariff uncertainties and improving consumer confidence. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 3.11%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The SPY ETF currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, there is an overall sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the ETF continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $584.83. Conversely, if it falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $567.97. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general trend. Notably, volume increased during the decline in prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $563.96. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a strong volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. Over the last day, the ETF moved $9.13, which represents 1.61% between its high and low. For the past week, the ETF has shown daily average volatility of 1.12%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $575.84. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $563.96. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $543.71, reflecting a decrease of 4.37%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily movements, which results in a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? SPY holds several positive signals. However, we still do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors may choose to hold or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of March, we anticipate SPY to open higher by $2.11, starting trading at $570.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.